Hi friends, now the topic is Python, the subtitle is global variables. Okay. What is the role of global variables? Variables that are created outside a function are known as global variables. Here the definition is variables that are created outside of a function are known as global variables. That is the definition of global variables. So, global variables can be used by everyone both inside of function as well as outside of function. Okay. For example, now example 1 for global variables. Okay. Create a variable outside a function and use it inside the function. That is the example 1 is okay. Create a variable outside a function and use it inside function. Based on this concept, you can write the function is, for example, x is equal to, you are writing that the string is project. Okay. Then we are writing that function. In function topic, I will give in detail expression for how can you write definition like that. Okay. So, simply you are writing this function is my function, you are having parenthesis and you have to use semicolon. Okay. Then you can write print Python is in single quotation close, double quotation close, plus no need to give comma. This is no need to give. Okay. Next one is x. After that, this is actual variables that are created outside a function. This is actual function. We are giving some variable that value is project. After execution of this instruction, you have to call the function for this is okay. That is my, here this is the variable name, a function name, my function, and you are using this parenthesis. Then you can run the program. You will get the result is Python is project. This instruction is used to run the program. This is nothing but function. This is nothing but variable. Okay. Here the variable is outside the function. Like this you can take. Then you can call the function based on this name. Okay. Then we are taking second example. This is very interesting example. Here, if you create a variable with the same name, inside a function, this variable will be local. If you write a variable within the function, that is called as local and can only be used inside the function. The global variable with the same name will remain as it was global and with the original values. For example, if you write x is equal to awesome. Okay. Then you are writing that definition, one function. That function name is my function. Whatever the name you can write here. This is the actual function start and x. Here outside the function is x variable, inside the function also x variable. Once again I am going to give that value is fantastic. Here variables are same, then you can run the program, can write this print Python is plus in single quotation plus x. Which x you have to take, either internal function or outside the function. Internal the function, this x is purely based on internal the function. Okay. Then after that, if you execute the, if you call this function, you will be get the result is Python is fantastic. Why? Because this x is not taken from outside the function. After that, the total this function has completed. Then once again, if you use that instruction is print Python is plus x. Here this is up to this instruction, function instructions are over. Now we are calling outside the function. So you will get the result is Python is awesome. That is the difference between within the function variable and outside the function variables. Both variable names are same, but within the variable if you call x, this is actually outside the function. This is the meaning of this global variables. How can you write global variables like that? You can write within the function or outside the function. For example, in this function we are not giving same name variable, that is why it is taken from outside the call. But in this function we have two variables, one variable available in within the function, one variable is available in outside the function. At this moment, based on the function, first of all the first preference given to within the class, within the function. Okay. Next one is, second topic is the global keyword. The global keyword. Normally, when you create a variable inside a function, that variable is local, okay, and can only be used inside the function. That is the meaning difference between local and global. To create a global variable inside a function, you can use global keyword. That instruction is, that keyword is global. With the help of this global, you can use anywhere. For example, for the global keyword, we are assigning a function, that is definition of this my function name, and we are having that at the end of this function you have to give colon and global x, where x value is fantastic. Then you can call my function, whatever the function you have, you can call with that. Then only you will get the result is here, that x value is fantastic. Print Python is plus x, where x value is fantastic, finally result will be Python is fantastic. For example, if you take this example 1, within the function you do not have any variable, this is outside the function. At this moment, if you call this my function here, this function give highest priority for within the class, within the function, do you have any variable or not, do you have any x? No. Then you can collect from outside the function. Then you can execute the instruction is Python is project. Example 2, you have two variables within the function as well as outside the function. At this moment, to run the function, always function instruction is give highest priority for within the function. Then you can write my function print this value Python is plus x. So give first highest priority for within the function, you have x variable, then only the result is Python is fantastic. After that if you write any print expression, that is purely based on outside the function. So this x value is purely based on awesome. So result will be Python is awesome. But in third example, you have a function, you have a variable within the class. but we are calling outside the class, that is a print python is. At this moment give highest priority for outside the class, outside the function, but you do not have any outside class variable, then only you can collect the x variable. Finally, you will get python is fantastic. Then example 3 and example 4, like that you can take. Okay. Example 4. Okay. To change the value of global variable inside a function, refer to the variable by using global keyword. For example, x is equal to awesome. X is equal to awesome. Then you can define my function name. Okay. Then we are taking global x, and x is equal to fantastic. Then you can call my function of this. Then you can write print python is plus x. So, this program is very similar to previous one. Here x is equal to awesome, and definition my function, there also definition my function, and where x is equal to fantastic, my function, and print and python is x. But the difference between example 2 and example 4 is we are using global x. Global x is, that is wherever you want to describe or call x, automatically that x value will be taken. So, the final result is for this example 4 is python is fantastic. In this instruction we are not giving any global, that is why within the call, within the function you are getting python is fantastic, outside the function python is awesome. But in this function we are using this global instruction. Okay. Wherever you are using more than same variable, but it takes always this x value for all that enter the function. That is the difference of all type of global variables. Okay. Thank you.